Hello everyone, today we will learn about Earth and its neighbors from EVS Book Class 2. Let's learn about the Earth. The Earth looks like a round blue ball from space. This is why it is called a blue planet. It is not completely round but slightly flattened from the top and bottom. So how Earth look like? Earth look like a round blue ball from space. Space से Earth round blue ball की तरह दिखता है. That's why we call blue planet. But in actually the Earth is not completely round. अर्थ completely round नहीं होता है, slightly flattened from the top and bottom. Slightly flattened होता है, flat होता है from top and bottom में. What is globe? Globe look like a earth only, so globe is a model of earth. Globe क्या है? Globe model of earth है. Now the earth has both natural and man-made things. अर्थ के पास natural things भी है and man-made things भी है. What is the earth made of? अर्थ किससे बना है? The surface of earth is divided in two parts, land and water. अर्थ का जो surface है वो two parts में divided है, land and water. 75% of earth's surface is covered by water and 25% land से covered है. So the earth has both natural and man-made things. We will see what is the natural things in earth and what are the man-made things. Okay? Earth has both natural and man-made things. Natural things are landforms and water bodies. Man-made things are the things which made by man, like house, factories, ship, road, car, etc. Earth is the home of all living beings. अर्थ क्या है? लिविंग बींग्स का होम है. यहाँ पे अर्थ पे ही लाइफ पॉसिबल है. तो लिविंग बींग्स में क्या क्या आते हैं? सारे ट्रीज, प्लांट, ह्यूमन बींग्स, एनिमल्स. तो इट इज द अर्थ इज द होम ऑफ ऑल लिविंग बींग्स. The earth is made of land and water. The green part here is the land and blue part is water. And landform and water bodies are called the natural things. So whatever the landform here, it is over here the green color is showing the landform and the blue color is showing the water bodies, and these two things are called the natural things. These are the different landforms of the earth: hills, mountain, volcano, plains, desert, and island. We will see one by one. Hills. Hills look like this. Mountain. Volcano. Plain. Desert. Island. Forest. So these are the different landforms of the earth. Now, different water bodies on the earth: oceans, river, lake, pond. डिफरेंट वाटर बॉडीज क्या क्या अर्थ पे है? ओशियन हो गया, सी हो गया, रिवर हो गया, लेक, पॉन्ड. सो दीज आर द डिफरेंट वाटर बॉडीज ऑन द अर्थ. ओशियन, रिवर, pond, lake. These are the different water bodies on the earth. We have seen the different landforms of the earth and different water bodies on the earth. So different landforms and water bodies are natural things of Earth. Now what is atmosphere? The Earth is surrounded by a layer of air is called atmosphere. हमारा जो अर्थ है वो लेयर ऑफ एयर से सराउंडेड है, इसलिए यहाँ पे लाइफ पॉसिबल है, ऑक्सीजन अवेलेबल है और इस लेयर ऑफ एयर को क्या कहते हैं? एटमॉस्फेयर. Man-made things. Man-made things are things which made by man, like houses, factories, road, park, railway tracks, many bridges, dams. So these are the things which made by man, are called man-made things. Neighbours of the earth. Do you know that the sun, the moon, planets and stars are the earth's neighbours? So what are the earth's neighbours? The sun, stars, the moon and planets are earth's neighbour. Okay? These four are earth's neighbour. We will learn about them one by one. Star. Stars are whose heavenly bodies that have their own light. Star क्या है? बहुत heavy body है जिसका own light होता है. But they look so tiny. Star is very big in size actually, but वो हमें दिखता है बहुत ही छोटा क्योंकि the star क्या है? बहुत ही far away है अर्थ से. That's why it's look tiny. Okay, the stars are whose heavenly bodies that have their own light. They look so tiny because they are very, very far from the earth. But one of these stars appears very big and we can see only in the day. Do you know which star it is? Yes, correct, the sun. The sun is also a star and we can see the sun in the day. Sun is the brightest star seen from the earth. The sun being nearest to earth, it seems brightest and biggest. Sun जो है nearest to earth है, that's why it seems brightest and biggest. The other stars are very, very far away as they appear very small and dull as compared to sun. Okay, so sun is also a star, but sun is nearest to the earth. That's why sun is looks so big, biggest and brightest. Or other star is very, very far from the earth. That's why its look is small and dull as compared to sun. The sun is a big ball of fire. It gives us heat and light. The sun is a big ball of fire and it gives us heat and light. Some of us wonder where the star goes during the day. Do you know the truth? Where is the star goes during the daytime? The star don't go anywhere. They remain in the sky during the daytime too. But the light of sun is so bright that you cannot see them. हम लोग सोचते हैं ना कि स्टार दिन में कहाँ चला जाता है? Where the star goes during the daytime. But the truth is, star don't go anywhere. Star कहीं नहीं जाता है. वो दिन में भी star sky में होता है. But sun की जो light होती है ना, so bright, जिसकी वजह से हम नहीं देख सकते हैं star पे. In evening time, you see the stars pop out, but we cannot see the sun at night. Why? Sun is also a star, but we cannot see the sun at night. But we see the stars. The small stars pop out. Why it is? So why we cannot see the sun at the night time? Because Earth moves all the time like a top toy. So Earth moves all the time due to the Earth's movement. When the part of Earth's belief turns away from the sun and the sunlight does not reach us, that is called night. Okay? See, here the sunlight reaches this area of the earth. That's why this area of the earth is the daytime. and this part of the earth is the night time because sunlight is not reach this part of the earth. And due to the movement of the earth, the earth is continuously revolving, moving around the sun. Because of that, the some part of the earth have the day sunlight, that is called the day, and the some part of the earth is not reaching the sunlight, so that's why it is called the night time there. See, यहाँ पे जो अर्थ है वो कंटिन्यूसली रिवॉल्व करता है, अपने प्लेस पे भी रिवॉल्व करता है और सन के भी अराउंड रिवॉल्व करता है. ओके, तो इसकी वजह से क्या होता है कि अर्थ के कुछ पार्ट में सन का लाइट जाता है. जिस पार्ट में सन का लाइट जाता है दैट पार्ट वहाँ पे डे हो जाता है, डे टाइम हो जाता है. और जिस पार्ट में सन का लाइट नहीं जाता है उस पार्ट में क्या हो जाता है, नाइट हो जाता है. इसलिए आप सुनते हो कि इंडिया में अगर डे है तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया में रात पहले हो जाएगी बिकॉज ऑफ अर्थ मूवमेंट. ओके, सो इस एरिया में सन की लाइट गई है, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज द डे. एंड दिस एरिया सन की लाइट नहीं पहुंची है क्योंकि वो अपोजिट साइड है, तो दैट एरिया इज नाइट. To earth movements, when the patch of earth we live on turns away from the sun, the sunlight does not reach us. This is night, but the sun can be seen in some other patch of earth. It is daytime there. Correct? See, this part of the earth, here the sunlight is reached. So this part of earth is the daytime, but this part, the sunlight is not reached. So this part is there, is night. Night time is there. Now the moon is our nearest neighbor in the sky. It is much smaller than earth in size. Moon is the nearest neighbor in the sky, and moon size is very small as compared to earth. The moon shines in the night, but it does not have light of its own. Moon does not have its own light, but it shines in night because it reflects the light of sun, which we see as a moonlight. So where moon get the light, moonlight is the sunlight reflection. Okay, that is called the moonlight. See here, the moon does not have the light. This is the earth, this is the sun, and this is the moon. Moon does not have the light, and moon is revolving around the earth. But how moon get light? That moonlight, moon reflect this sunlight, and this reflection of the light of the sun is called the moonlight. See here, see here, the sunlight goes on moon surface, and from moon surface this light reflect, and that light come to earth. So the moonlight is, what is that? The moonlight is the reflect light of the sun, or reflection of sunlight. Here we can see how moon is revolving around the earth. Do you know that moon revolves around the earth? That we have seen. See how moon is revolving around the earth. This is why we see the changing shape of the moon at the different time of the month. Because of moon is revolving around the earth, that's why we see the changing shape of moon at the different time of month. Sometimes we see the full moon, sometimes we see the half moon. So why it is so? Because the moon is revolving around the earth. Once in a month, we see a full round moon in the sky. It is called the full moon or Purnima. Okay, so once in a month, what we see the full moon in the sky, that day is called the full moon or the Purnima. New moon or Amavasya. Once in a month, we do not see the moon at all. This is called the new moon or Amavasya. Okay, so once in a month we see the full moon, that is called the Purnima, and we see once in a month we do not see any moon at all. That day is called the new moon or Amavasya. Now, see, in this video we see how Earth is revolving around the Sun and how Moon is revolving around the Earth. So this is Moon, this is Sun, and this is Earth. What are the shadows on the Moon? We have seen different shadows. These shadows, what are these? What are these shadows on the Moon? It's called craters. The Moon's surface is like the surface of the Earth. It has mountains and valleys. Large bowl-like pits on the Moon's surface are called craters. Now in next video we will learn about our solar system. Thank you so much. Please subscribe this channel for more videos.